Welcome to Section 2 of our Facebook Ads video training. In this section, we will talk about what you should do right before creating your ads and what type of websites you can use to advertise with Facebook ads. We will show you live how to create a Facebook page, Facebook app, and Facebook event all step by step. We will also talk about what type of videos you should create to advertise with Facebook ads. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What should you do right before creating your ads? Let's head to the Facebook advertising dashboard by clicking on Create Advert. Let's log in by using the same login details you use for your Facebook personal account. This works similar to Google and Microsoft, where you can log into several accounts with the same login details. The interface for a new Facebook ads account might look different than for older accounts. I noticed that for the order of the advertising campaigns and other things. I think Facebook adapts your account depending on how much you have been experimenting with the account. There are different types of campaigns that you can create to promote your business, but before you create the ad, you need to do different things depending on what you are looking to promote. Send people to your website. With the Clicks to Website objective, you'll be able to increase the number of visitors to your website. You'll need to have a website in order to create this campaign. There are many types of software and online solutions that can help you create a website, landing page, or squeeze page for your business. Facebook will ask you to enter that website to continue setting up this type of campaign. Increase conversions on your website. With the Website Conversions objective, you'll be able to get people to take valuable actions on your website, such as sign up for a demo or make a purchase. You'll need to use the Facebook Pixel to track and measure conversions. You'll also need to have a website in order to create this campaign. Boost your posts. With the Page Post Engagement objective, you'll be able to get more people to see and engage with your page posts. For this, you obviously must have a Facebook page. If you don't have one, you need to create it with information about your store or website. On that Facebook page, you'll need to make posts with photos, articles, or videos, etc. In the next campaign objective, a direct access link will be there for you to create a Facebook page. Promote your page. With the Page Likes objective, you'll be able to connect more people with your page. You can create a page by using this link right here. Something awesome you can try inside this campaign objective is the ability to tell your brand story through engaging, lightweight videos. Get installs of your app. With the App Installs objective, you'll be able to send people to the store where they can purchase your app. You'll need to have an app for this. You can go to developers.facebook.com. From there, you'll be able to find out how to create an app for your App Installs objective. Increase engagement in your app. Besides getting app installs, with the App Engagement objective, you'll be able to get more people to use your Facebook or mobile app. You'll need to have the app already created, of course, so you can take advantage of this. Raise attendance at your event. With the Event Responses objective, you'll be able to promote your Facebook event to increase your attendance. You'll need to create an event first. You can do so by going to your Facebook personal newsfeed, and by going down the left menu, you'll see the Events option listed. Click on Create Event, and you'll easily be able to create your event from here. Later, we'll go into more detail on this. Get people to claim your offer. With the Offer Claims objective, you'll be able to promote timely discounts or other deals for people to claim in your store. To use this objective, you'll need a Facebook page. Get video views. Besides clicks and likes, you can even get video views. With the Video Views objective, you'll be able to promote videos that show behind-the-scenes footage, product launches, or customer stories to raise awareness of your brand. Obviously, you'll need a video to upload to set up this campaign objective. Collect leads for your business. With the Lead Generation objective, you'll be able to collect lead information from people who are interested in your business. This function is awesome. You can build your leads database inside Facebook. For this, you'll also need a Facebook page. Okay, awesome. Now your job will be to create everything: a website, a Facebook page, an app, an event, and a video. With those 5 things, you'll be up and running to take advantage of any Facebook campaign objective.